Today, my dad's going to teach us how to make
福建炒飯
Hokkien Fried Rice. As far as fried rice goes, this is one of the fancier classics that every fried rice connoisseur loves. In this video, we're going to learn how a Chinese chef crafts the sauciest seafood gravy on top of a beautiful egg fried rice base, along with where this dish actually comes from.
Cheers!
Let's dive in.
而家我哋用18嘅安士買，嗱，首先就洗咗買先哦。洗買咧就唔需要好大力咁樣去刷嘅嗬，就咁係咁過水嘅。即係嗰啲買咧就係好乾淨嘅，就係咁過水嘅過層咁啫。啊，倒佢啊，倒啲水佢。
After washing, we'll drain the water. Then repeat with fresh water 2 more times. Now we'll add the rice to the rice cooker pot.
將買倒落嚟，我就俾16個安士水上去。
Now we'll add in 2 cups of water. Then we can put the pot into the rice cooker, close it, and start cooking. To recap, that's 18 ounces of Thai jasmine rice with 16 ounces of water, as my dad always uses slightly less water with fried rice. For our Uncle Roger approved fried rice masterclass, check out this video.
飯就開始煮緊，而家咧先切啲雞香肉先啊！呢度係6個安士雞香肉嚟嘅嗬，雞香肉咧就切粒嗬。
We'll first cut into thick slices.
切咗佢，
Then cut those slices in half.
切佢2條嗱，你唔好切得太細粒嗬。
We'll rotate 90 degrees and cut into cubes.
你睇到嘛？
Then we'll repeat with the rest, first cutting into strips, then into cubes. After cutting the chicken, we'll marinate it.
一個茶匙生粉，一個湯匙水，少少嘅鹽上去，半個茶匙夠啦。
Then we'll mix it in by hand, squeezing the seasoning into the chicken.
啲蝦咧就喺西圍買嘅，木製佢又係劏開咗冇咗腸噶啦。嗱，嗰啲係大蝦嚟嘅，就可以要片一開二片開佢啊。
Since these are tail-on shrimp, we'll first remove the tails.
嗱喺中間咁樣斷開佢嚇，嗱一開二。
These are larger shrimp, so my dad will cut them in half horizontally. If you get smaller shrimp, you can skip this step.
蝦咧要俾生粉，醃一醃佢，一個茶匙生粉，俾少少胡椒粉，劈一劈聲。
Again, we'll use our hands to mix in the seasoning well.
帶子咧，日係用少少生粉，一個茶匙嘅生粉，醃啲帶子，
My dad likes to use his hand to sprinkle on the cornstarch evenly.
胡椒粉醃咗佢。
And again, we'll mix in the seasoning with our hands.
冬菇咧又切粒。
First, we'll cut the mushrooms into thick slices.
我呢度係乾嘅時候係半個安士啊，好似呢啲咁嘅。你浸佢俾水洗過之後咧，俾啲暖水浸佢半個鐘頭，佢就可以切得到噶啦嚇。冬菇就切粒嚇。
We'll line up the slices and cut into small cubes, then repeat for the rest of the mushrooms. Dry shiitake mushrooms cannot be substituted with fresh mushrooms because of its one-of-a-kind umami flavor. But first, like my dad mentioned, you'll have to soak them in warm water for at least 20 to 30 minutes to rehydrate them before cooking with them. If you want to learn more about the different kinds of dried mushrooms and fungi we use in Chinese cooking and how to prepare them, click the link in our description for lesson 16.2 in our fundamentals library.
仲有咧紅蘿蔔，大陣咁打橫切得啦。如果你想靚啲有花紋㗎，咁你咪喺中間嘅切個坑上去啦，係嘛？ 嗱，切下佢，喺雙角咁切佢。
Then we'll cut into 1/4-inch thick slices.
仲有蒜頭，一兩粒切片嗬。
We'll first peel the garlic and then trim off the hard ends. Then cut it to thin slices.
仲開始薑切片又係切片。
We'll cut the ginger in half, then into thin slices.
葱咧，首先切咗葱頭，葱頭咧就愛嚟一齊嚟炒嘅，起鑊炒嘅，切大粒啲嚇，唔使咁大粒，呢個。其他咧就切葱花啦。
Now we'll line up our pieces of the green parts of green onions and we'll dice them. Today's dish is Hokkien Fried Rice, named after the province in China in its native language of Hokkien. In Mandarin, the province is called Fujian, and in Cantonese, Hokkien. The twist is that this dish does not originate from this province. According to one story, chefs in Taiwan developed this dish, influenced by the seafood in Fujian's cuisine. The dish then became hugely popular in Hong Kong and spread throughout Cantonese restaurants everywhere. The succulent gravy is super comforting, while the variety of seafood gives a sense of luxury with every bite. In fact, high-class restaurants often include expensive seafood like dried scallops or abalone. Here, my dad explains what is distinct about this dish.
What makes it Hokkien? What are the characteristics that make it Hokkien?
食到咪係個特有啲湖水下邊食咗上嚟又滑又好味咯，有海鮮啊嘛。
So if you had no seafood, would it still be Hokkien?
冇海鮮就
係啦，
就唔可以叫啦。係啊，你要有海鮮以海鮮為主嘅。
Thank you, brother.
Oh, thank you, buddy. These are all my food stacking props.
I want more.
You want more? What do you want more of? Rice?
Yeah,
This rice? Want to use this? Oh my god, thank you, buddy. Okay, I think this is enough. Which one should I use to scoop rice for Maya? The one Maya's
that
on?
one.
This one. This one with the holes? Oh, you want some too?
Okay.
Yeah, this works well, buddy.
啊，而家夠個 sauce 下。
For the sauce, we'll use 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of white soy sauce, a half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Then we'll mix it together. We have all of these ingredients listed on our blog at madewithlau.com, along with step-by-step instructions and video clips to guide you as you make the recipe at home.
生粉咧就用呢個係超生粉同米線㗎嗬，2個茶匙生粉。如果你到時候咧，如果太多就唔可以一定係俾晒佢。而家俾住2個茶匙嗬，2個湯匙水，開生粉。喺佢煮嘅時候咧，落啲水落去煮出嚟先至米線嚇。好啦，飯煮好咗，開咗個飯。
We'll open the rice cooker.
首先咧，用個筷子打鬆啲飯先嚇。
Then fluff the rice.
掀開個煲蓋，等佢去咁啲時聽先。
Then we'll remove the rice cooker pot.
啲飯落嚟。
Now we'll scoop the rice onto a plate.
而家打呢隻蛋炒飯啦嚇。
Now we'll crack 2 eggs into a bowl, then beat them. Now we can heat the wok on high.
開大火。新聞火先落油嚇，1個湯匙油上去。
We'll spread the oil all around the wok with a spatula. Then we'll add the eggs. We'll immediately stir the eggs around to prevent them from burning.
蛋都唔使嗰得好熟啊，咁得㗎啦。跟住倒啲飯落嚟。
Then we'll add the rice and stir fry it with the eggs.
首先咧就慢慢火炒先嚇，浸上啲飯碎，啲油喺個邊度，
We'll add a tablespoon of oil along the sides here to get a better fry.
呢個鑊邊多啲油，炒啲飯香啲啦嘛。基本上都撳散咗啲飯啦，咁樣快啲炒佢，快啲炒。
After 2 minutes of stir frying, we can add some seasoning.
俾少少鹽上去，有啲味嚇，半個茶匙到啦。生抽咧2個茶匙就好啦。
Then we'll stir fry to mix in the seasoning.
俾少啲葱花上去，香啲。
We'll add roughly half of our diced green onion greens and mix them in.
好啦，試下啲飯咧，夠唔夠味先？可以開大火炒嗰啲佢粒聲係咪？嗱，聽到響嘛？
After a final 2 minutes of stir frying on high, we'll turn off the heat.
OK， 閂火。OK， 你裝上碟嗬。
Now we'll put the fried rice onto a serving plate, spreading it out so we can scoop the sauce onto it later.
整一個飯底佢。
Then we'll set it aside so we can cook everything else.
好啦，而家就煮餸啦，唔使洗鑊得啦，呢隻鑊。好啦，而家開火煮餸，開大火。好啦，燒隻鑊而家咧就夠熱啦，俾油1個湯匙油，爆香啲薑、蒜。
We'll stir fry the ginger and garlic until aromatic, or just 10 to 15 seconds.
跟住啲葱頭，
After another 10 to 15 seconds, we'll add the mushrooms.
跟住俾啲冬菇落去，炒香啲冬菇佢。冬菇咧要爆香佢咧，先至出咗啲味出嚟。
We'll stir fry the mushrooms for just 30 to 40 seconds, then add the chicken.
呢時候咧，俾啲雞肉落嚟，
We'll stir fry the chicken for just 40 to 50 seconds.
點佢啲雞肉啊，一反要白色咧，啲帶子落去，
We'll cook the scallops for just 30 to 40 seconds.
我俾少少油落嗰啲帶子嗰度，俾啲蝦上去，俾埋啲紅蘿蔔，
Stir fry to mix another 30 to 40 seconds.
兩個茶匙酒，
We'll splash in cooking wine from the side of the wok and stir fry for another 20 to 30 seconds.
而家俾水。
We'll add 1.5 cups of boiling water here.
滾水一定係滾水，滾水咧倒落去咧，佢啲肉先至唔會走晒啲調味入啲料出嚟。咁跟住咁熟咗咧，個肉咧啲汁就喺入邊啦。嗱，倒埋呢啲調味料落去。
My dad likes to swirl around some water in the bowl to get all of the sauce out.
咁呢個時候咧就要試味咯喎，俾多半個茶匙嘅鹽上去，因為頭先冇落過鹽，而家俾半個茶匙上去。呢個咧頭先嘅生粉水開咗佢，慢慢攪佢。
Now we'll pour in the slurry a bit at a time while stirring the sauce with the spatula.
俾多半個茶匙上去。
We'll add a bit more dark soy sauce to get a deeper color.
啱啱好，嗱頭先俾兩個茶匙生粉，而家埋個芡咧就好啦。嗱，睇下
How do you get the gravy thick like in restaurants?
適中為止咯，你唔好話一定好似好結就啱。開到最尾嘅湖水咧，有開大火啲茶子啊佢，跟佢收水，因為埋咗個芡落去之後咧，就開大火少少。 一杯攪一邊，跟佢去咁啲水氣，咁佢咪結咯。同埋如果你係用嗰啲超級生粉咧，佢就容易結啦。生火得啦，少少麻油上去，
We'll add a teaspoon of sesame oil as well as some neutral oil.
一個茶匙油上去，等佢滑啲靚啲嘅面。得啦，嗱，你試下味先。正。Yeah. Okay.
Oh, so good.
Good.
After the taste test, we'll shape the fried rice into a mound. Then we'll lay a little sauce on top of it. Finally, we'll sprinkle on the rest of our diced green onions and serve.
Hello， 朋友們，福建炒飯做好多，希望大家中意。紅隊妹妹落嚟吃福建炒飯咯。
Woo, for you, Daddy.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Wow.
That's very kind of you.
Is it? Daddy, how about Daddy?
What is it, Mom?
Oh!
YouTube thinks you'll like this recipe next. Let's see if they're right. A huge thank you to our wok stars and all of our chefs in the CANTO Cooking Club.